Okay, so what I'll do, sir, where is the screen here? This is your screen, right? So go back to your Excel sheet. We are discussing on FIMM. So we need to create one material master. So material type is ROH. It should be something T, right? See here, raw ROHT, raw materials for a till company code. We created one raw material type. Okay. Industry, we can use some mechanical engineering material. We can create some material here. I'm not sure whether we created or not, but let us create it, sir. Raw material for Telu 01. Okay, raw material for Telu 01. Click. So here, here we faced some issue, I think, right, sir? Select views. So basically, you're selecting the views. So just after selecting the views, just close this one. Click on organization levels. Now you have to mention, sir, here. So here we have to select our own Telu plant, and this one also. Just ignore this one. This is not required for now. This is also not required for now. Click on continue. So material ledger must be set productive for valuation Telu. So what it is saying is, so system is expecting metal ledger should be, it's a part of your CO, sir, again. Okay. So we have one area called metal ledger must be set productive for valuation area Telu. So it says that it is required to activate metal ledger via transaction code X2, X3 and X1. Afterwards, it needs to be set productive via transaction CKM start. So basically, while creating metal master, you're getting this message. So material ledger needs to be activated. That's what it says. So we'll go all these transactions. So let us close all this and come back. So SPRO, instead of going with transaction code, sir, we'll see what is the path controlling, the product costing, and metal ledger. So it comes under product costing, sir. Here under metal ledger, this is your, so additional information, IMG activity. So system says OMX2, X3, X1, all these. So well, assign metal types to valuation areas, assign metal ledger value. Let us create this one, the first assign currency types. We need to assign currency types. Let us assign currency types. Metal ledger type. Okay. Do we have ours? No, right? Let us create new entries, or we'll copy this one. So there is no copy option. Create new entries. So metal ledger type, I'll give Telu only. Okay. So description, material ledger for Telu company code. This is only description. Press enter. Select your, click on individual characteristics. So press enter. So basically 10 by, it came by default 10 company code currency. So new entries, let us give currency type. We already, I mean, we already have one more currency, which is group currency. Let us give 30 also. We'll see if we are facing an errors, we'll rectify the issues. Click on save, continue. Save. So we have two currencies now for our Telu material ledger type. Come back. This is one transaction we have updated, and X3, which is assign material ledger types to valuation area. So system is saying position valuation area is Telu. So we don't have our valuation area. Click on new entries. So give your valuation area to Telu. Okay. And material ledger type is, it's a Telu only, right, sir? Click on press enter. So it's coming in the green mode now. So basically our valuation area is nothing but plant level. Company code also tell you, and metal ledger type also tell you. It's very easy to identify since we had given the same names. Come back. So this is fine. And activate metal ledger to the valuation areas. Basically here you are activating metal ledger for your respective plant, I think. Will, what is your plant again? Tell you. Press enter. So here, so price determination. So here metal ledger activation. And what is price determination here? Let us say, because I see transactional based. That's correct. So so it is based on the transactions only. It has to update the values. Click on save. After activity manager, live data must be converted. Okay. As of now, we don't have any metal ledger transaction inventory transactions. This is something that you have to update initially only. Control F. Telus group. So during implementation, we configure all the structures first. We don't push the transactions. Come back, close this one. Now let us go back to the metal master creation. So here mm01. So this is your hours only. This okay. This is hours only. Let me give another time. Raw material for Telu 01. Press enter. So instead of press enter, sir, just make sure that cancel this one. No. So mm01. So here select here. Click on select views. We don't want sales. We are in the inventory related, right? So you have to give some MRP one, some purchasing related. Okay. This is what we want, right, sir? Accounting one and costing two, accounting one two, costing one two, general plan data storage one two. Okay. And we need purchasing related MRP one, purchasing basic data. Okay. This is fine. Continue. Now it's giving only relevant. I think we'll see if it is not it is not showing, then we'll change it. I don't think this has updated our plan, but we'll see, sir. Raw material for Telu. So if you want to give the description here also, just for our identification. Okay. So press enter. So system is expecting some measurement. I mean unit of measure, whether it's a number unit, it's a if it is a number of units, then each EA is a your you have thousands of unit of measurements, sir. Whether it's a inch or cubic, it depends. 247 entries are there. It depends upon the inventory. It depends upon the business requirement. It depends upon business the inventory. What do you say? What kind of inventory they are using it? Material group. So here material group can give something as 01 standard one. Press enter. So this is not ours then. We have not created any sales organizations. So come back again. So the reason is we are just entering press. We should not press enter, sir. We have to consider our own plant first. So here click on. So but better select. So it's by again this is getting defaulted every time. MRP one purchasing. So someone has did the default setting. Now we'll change the default setting from our side also. For the next person, whoever works on this system, he will also face problems. Click on like this one, click on organization levels. Now you have to change it here. So here this is important. Telu. Now plant also Telu, right? Press enter. Does not exist. So ours is not Telu, it is something else. Storage location. Telu. Do you remember, sir? What is our storage location? We are in C, D, E, F, G, H, I, S, S, M, N, S, P, Q, R, S, T. It should be under T, right? So here we have. So here, sir, Telu. Storage location for Telu. Telu storage location. Okay, continue. Metal ledger must be set productive for valuation area Telu. Why still I'm getting this message? This is something. So we got that error, right, sir? So you remember? So we have done the configuration settings, but system mentioned we need to execute one more transaction. We executed three transactions. CKM start. So system is so clever. New GI window. CKM start. Okay. Now you have to mention your Telu plant. Now system is expecting to be executed. Just click on execute. So system gives some message. Start immediately. Check. But we are in the test run mode, sir. Okay. We are in the test run mode. LP01. Continue. Continue. We'll see if you're facing any errors. System services jobs job overview. Execute. So many are there. Not sure. This is a production startup. This is what we have executed. Double click here. Job lock. See here. Plant value can be set productive for metal ledger. So it's giving message. So it can proceed with the setting of the production mode. So what I'll do, I'll come back to the transaction again. Again, you can execute, sir, but with the final production mode. I did not remove this one. I'll remove this one. Telu company code test run. Now remote test run. Click on execute. Now it is executing the background. Click on start immediately. Check, confirm. LP01, continue. Click on continue. Okay, now this has to executed. If you want to see, you can see the services, jobs, job overview, execute. Now you can see the production startup. This is your 28. This is your latest one. Spool. So you can see spool. Click on here. So it gives a message. So this is something technical details, but we can see something like job details. It gives very clear. If it is failing, then it will show, right, sir? Job lock. So plant is no productive. Okay. Now productive. The plant is productive for posting material transactions. Now come back to the material master. Till now we have not created material master. You are facing issues, right? So so continue. Now now I don't see the error, sir. It's going inside now. Raw material. So we are under this one. So wherever dot is there here. So we selected those respective tabs, I can say, or views. We call it as views. Okay. So here it is asking for the unit of measure. Metal group, we can give the standard one. Press enter. System will take you to the basic. So system is, so I think we have under data, we have not removed this one. Just ignore that one. Go to the purchasing tab. So here again the problems are started. So system, we have not defined sales organization. It should not come. Click on RM, select views. So I'm not expecting sales view now. Click on continue. No, don't continue. Click on default setting. Cancel this, sir. Click on organizational levels. This is you have to change your tele company code, storage location. This is your SLTE. Click on continue. So now we'll see. So now you don't see any sales related tabs here. Okay, it will take you direct from basic data 1 to 2 to purchasing tab. Give the description, unit of measure, metal group, and just you can click basic 2 or press enter. It will take you to the basic 2. We don't have anything to update. We'll see if it is asking, it will show as a mandatory field. So under basic 2 also nothing is there. It came back to the purchasing tab now. So purchasing tab, press enter. It's taking me to the MRP1 tab. Press enter. So now system is expecting something here as MRP type. What is MRP type? Metal requirement type. Sir, this is something that metal team, inventory management team will maintain all this. Okay, we are not going to maintain. So no planning. Just give that's a standard one. Click on okay, press enter. So it is taking me to the plant data storage location. Let us see. So here also I don't see anything. Now it's asking something here. Profit center. We have profit center 100 with the profit center under MRP2. I think it is asking, right, sir? Now we are in the accounting one tab here. Okay. Now so scroll down. You can see here it's a kg. Your valuation class term. Okay. This is coming from your configuration. It's a combination between your account category reference, valuation class, and material type. Okay, it is coming from your the combination from the configuration. So it's coming. It is default raw material for Telu. That's what if I define. ML is activated for the transactional based. Scroll down. Your INR to USD, the both currencies. Now standard price. No, price control. So how you are going to validate your materials either by standard price or moving average price. This is a usually for raw materials we'll be using moving average price. Okay. So now this a price unit is 1. So press enter. Prices have been recalculated. That's fine. It's a price unit is 1. Moving average price is 1. Sorry, we selected a moving average price. This is your current year. This is your April period. This is your March previous financial year. Okay. And come back to the come back here, accounting 2 tab. So system is expecting price here. Okay, I'm just giving as 1, press enter. So system is expecting some values are here. Moving average price had given as 1, price per unit as 1. Let us understand. Accounting 2 doesn't have anything to update. Costing 1 also doesn't have anything to update. So with quantity structure it has been updated. Costing this is also nothing to be updated. So I'll come back to the accounting 1. So accounting 1 is important where you assign your valuation class, and also system is expecting whether it is moving at price or standard price, and also price unit with 1 rupee. Click on save. Okay, the field availability check is defined as required field. So something in the MRP3 tab someone has made maintained as what is availability check. So I have just giving daily requirements. Okay, click on save. So we created one material master, sir, RMTLU01 material master, display. So you can see the, so always even during display also we should select accordingly, sir. Well, not only while creating, you have to select your respective plant and your storage location for Telu. Otherwise, system will throw a number of errors. Now this is yours. If you want to confirm whether yours or not, you can see here plant for Telu under purchasing tab. Here also you can confirm whether we are under same plant or not under storage location. So while creating it, need to be careful because usually we don't create it. Okay, it's part of your inventory team. Okay, but as a what do you say? It's as part of your integration. We should understand what parameters are required from the accounting perspective. Yep. Now what we should do, sir? Now let us create purchase order. ME21N will let us purchase the materials. So here we have, you can just switch off this one. Okay, and so standard purchase order. Supplier, do we have supplier, sir, for our company code? Yes, we have supplier. Let us create a supplier. So what is our company code? Telu company code. Let us try to execute this. Click on Hyderabad. So I'm just creating supplier. Now I want to select material Telu RM, right, sir? RM Telu 01. This is correct. So this is fine. Raw material for Telu 01. This is fine. So press enter. Just press enter. We'll see what are the errors it is asking. So under organization data, it is asking purchase organization. So what is our purchase organization? We already defined purchase organization. Definitely it should be some Telu only. Why this is coming like this, sir? Telu. So Telu, and company code is again. This is also Telu. Press enter. So system is expecting purchasing group. So just selecting for now 0001. Now we see these details got updated. Item means the first item. It's usually it will update with not with 01 but 10. The next item, next material will be with 20. Okay. So material, it's coming. All these details are coming from the raw material, and since we already given material group over there, plant we can give plant, but we'll see what other details it is asking. So supplier has not been created for purchasing organization. This supplier has not extended to purchase organization. So what we should do? Go to the BP transaction. What is your this is your bill company code. Let me copy this one. Control C. Change to supplier mode. Click here. Your supplier number. Press enter. Double click here. Click on click on change mode. Click on, earlier we used to use FLV0 FL. Earlier we use FI FLVN00. Now we are using purchase organization related supplier rule. Okay, FLVN01. Okay, now this has to be extended to the purchasing mode. Click on purchasing. Now you have to give your Telu purchase organization. Press enter. Now order currency is your INR. Press enter. Now you can enter your payment terms 0001. Click on save. So we'll see if system is throwing any other errors. So supplier does not match interval. So someone has changed the number in just, but no worries. Click on no. Okay, changes has been saved. So we have extended this supplier to or this purchase organization. Okay, now come back to the create purchase order, press enter, enter plan. Now system is expecting plant here. So what is plant, sir? Telu, press enter. So supply has not been created for purchase order. So I need to go back and reprocess the transaction. Let us see, sir. If it is throwing error, we need to rectify the issues. So let me check this one, 3001 purchase on. So okay, let me press enter. Okay, system is asking. Press enter, click on material, press enter. So this is fine. Now plant system is expecting plant, press enter. So now system is considering price. We are purchasing so this is your price unit, right? Our price unit, it considered from our metal master kg. Now 1 kg price, if I give something around, so I'll give something, okay, 100 also fine. It is better, it's very easy to understand. So price is for 1 kg it is 100 rupees. Press enter. So 100 updated here accordingly. This will come automatically. Okay, all the condition types. So this is has been entered, but I still some errors. You can click on display messages. So enter a quantity we already entered. No, you have not entered the quantity. Select this one, sir. Continue. So system will take you to the quantity here, sir. PO quantity. So price and quantity we need to enter. So I'm just selecting two quantity, 2 into 100, 200, right? Press enter. So this will should get changed. Role we are not defined in master record. That is ignore it. Ignore the message. Yes, just you can mention the as it is delivery date. Come back here. Now item detail. Go to the conditions again. Go here and check it here. So 100, 1 kg. So condition value. So your price is 100 and you are purchasing 2 kgs. Okay. For 1 kg it is 100 rupees. For 2 kgs how much is sir? 200. So it's updating accordingly. This is your per unit price. This is your per unit price amount, per unit price amount. This is your total since you are purchasing with 2 kgs, price 200, 2 into 100, which is 200. Click, no, don't click on save. Just make sure that if you have some messages, try to resolve it. All these are like warning messages. Ignore those messages. Click on save. Standard purchase order created, sir. Successfully we created one purchase order. So how to see the purchase order? Slash O ME23N is your purchase order display. Okay, here we have not seen, we should get one more tab that will trigger at the time of goods receipt. Now it will not trigger. But if you want to see, so you can see, you can just close this. Okay, so we have header, we have item overview, we have item detail. So on the top we entered standard purchase order with your supplier company code header. So you can see all these details under organizational data. These are three mandatory. Close this one, come back to the item overview. So you have to mention which material you are purchasing, how much quantity, what is your price. Is that okay, sir? Close this one and item detail you have to mention. We have not mentioned anything, system automatically updated all these details. Okay, invoice. So invoice receipt, GR. So here invoice, this has to be changed. Okay, but we'll come back here. We'll see. So next transaction is MyGo, which is goods receipt. Since we purchased, we have raised purchase order. Now we are receiving the goods receipt. I mean, basically we are receiving materials against our purchase order. What is our purchase order, sir? We missed out. Slash O ME23N. We'll keep it to this transaction on another session. So this is our purchase order. So go back to the goods receipt, press enter here, click on press enter. So this is fine. So now system automatically updated the details. Two quantity with moment type 101, which is goods received against purchase order. System is getting automatically updated, updating the moment type as well. So moment type goods received. So basically goods received against purchase order. So scroll down your material and material description. This is your description. This is your material group, quantity, two quantity, where yes, I want to receive at this plant. Okay. And also you have to mention storage location. What is storage location, sir? Storage location for Telu, right? Press enter. If you don't enter anyhow, it will throw error messages. Click on purchase order, or else you can mention here goods receipt, purchase order data. It's coming by default, partner, account assignment. So come back to the purchase order data. Click on check first. You have not flagged any items. Where it is, sir? So here under purchase order data, click on item. Okay, click on check. So now its system is throwing. So at the time of goods receipt, system will post one accounting entry. You are receiving the materials. We debit the inventory materials, credit the GRIR account. So WRX is something where we assign the GRIR account. So we need to define one GL account for this WRX inventory account, right? So FS00. So this is not our company code. Go back to the our company code. Telu. So it is GRIR account. GRIR account comes under liabilities. Okay. So here I'll take the next account 2005. So here balance sheet, it's a liabilities because until the invoice is received, this will show as open item GRIR account. Okay. So I'm just giving as GRIR. Okay. GRIR, nothing but goods received, invoice received account. Okay. So it is a balance sheet liabilities. This is open item management. Sort key is 001. You can select, or you can select any something related to the material. So field status group, we can give something related to GRI. If we have GRIR, that will be very good. G0. Do we have any GRIR related field status group, sir? Here it's there, sir. Goods invoice receipt clearing accounts. Click on save. So under control data, if you want to give here also, you can change to this is only for reporting purpose. We'll see if you have anything like material number, something else. So I don't see anything, just ignore it for now. Okay. So we had given 2005. Come back to the where we should go, sir. This one. Click here. So proceed. So if you so the trans click on cancel. So system simulation. So not simulation. Click on back, exit. So if here you can go via OBYC transaction code. OBYC, press enter. So where is our WRX transaction key? Go to the WRX transaction key. Here, GRIR clearing account. Double click here. Continue. So this is not ours. So cancel accounts. So can I change my chart of accounts? Accounts? No. Choose? No. So here we can't change it. Come back. Cancel it. WRX. So by default it is taking to the Amazon, sir. Accounts. Go edit. So here change chart of accounts. It is not coming here. This has to be changed. How to change that one? Right, this is coming, sir. Edit, change of. We are in configuration accounting maintain transaction only. Display change mode. Other procedure. This is fine. So we are in configuration. It has to ask. So it's taking directly to the Amazon chart of accounts. This one has to change. Accounts, no. Go to edit. This is not going, sir. What we should do? What is another option? Utilities. Go to posting key. No. Accounts. Accounts. If you terminate also doesn't make any sense. It is terminating the transaction. That's it. Mm, Let me close transactions. It's not like that. Should ask OBYC. Click here. Here it is there. Let me change the chat. So chart of accounts is TCOA. So let me now it's updated TCOA. Just I this is not ours. Come back. No. So go back to the ours. Double RX. Double click here. Now it is under TCOA. Okay. Here you have to select validation class. Okay. And accounts. Now system will ask you to save the rules first. Click on save. We already created one validation class in the raw material. You remember, sir? Raw material for TE. Is that correct? Account. Just now we created one. This is also not ours. Remove the AM01 to Telu. Now we created one account. What is that account, sir? GRIR. Where is GRIR? This is also not our side. This is ours only. Have we created under? This is really strange. Where is our GRIR account, sir? This is really stupidity. This is really stupidity, right? So go back to this slash o fs00 as it is liabilities GRIR 2005. Yes, that's the problem, sir. Change mode. So this has been what I'll do. Just delete it. Click for deletion. Click on save. Okay. Or else you can just make sure do not use Control C, Control V. లేకపోతే బాధపడతాడు కంపెనీ కూడా క్రియేట్ చేసిన అతను. So tell you we changed it, right, sir? But what happened is, let tell you what happened. Liabilities 2004 create, click on create. Here it's not changed. That was the culprit here. 2005 AM01 tell you company code, press enter. So what we had given, sir? It's a balance sheet. It's a liabilities. Here you should give as GRIR. Here also you should give GRIR. Click on control data tab. So this is your balance sheet accounts 0001. Click on create bank. So here this is important. This is important. Open item management. It has to be so until invoice is received, the goods receipt show as open item. This is G45. Click on. So this is also, sir, post automatically. So the reason why we are activating this is no one can post manually to this GL account. It has to come automatically when you process GRIR, I mean goods receipt transaction from P2P process. So no one can manually process some values to this GL account. It will not allow, sir. Okay. Come back to the RX. So we have not assigned. Come back here. What is the GL account? Now it will come. It should come. Press enter. Now you can see GRIR account. So what's the culprit? RMT is not defined. What is our valuation class, sir? Do you remember what is our valuation class? If you don't remember, then what we should do? Go back to the this is here term telu RM. Press enter. Click on continue. Save it. It's already saved it. Come back to the error mode. Simulate it. Press enter once. Come back to the check mode again. So system is giving one more entry. Check table 1 T159L entry tell you does not exist. What is this one, sir? T159L. Even I don't know. I'm seeing for the first time. So T159L, open the new window, SC16N T159L. It's there, sir. Someone has entered here. Continue. So this is something. So plant storage location. I don't understand what it is. Go back to the plant Telu. Press enter. Execute it. So we have not defined something. Define default values for inventory management and physical inventory. So basically we don't have that. So here see this one. Plant inventory management, physical inventory, Okay. So slash o SPRO um, inventory management, right? Where it is set, sir? Metal management, and here inventory management physical entry, plant parameters, position, Telu, press enter. Here we don't have Telu at all. So plant Telu, okay, but we don't know the parameters. This is not our transaction, so we'll copy from some 0001 or from standard 171010 is a standard one. Copy it from Telu. I'm just copying it from standard, sir. Press enter, click on save, continue. Is there any specific entry related? So here bomb application, this is something completely related to inventory management. So I'm not aware, sir. So but system is expecting one transaction here. What is the T code here? SMIMG. This is also something strange, but we'll come back again to the goods receipt transaction. So if you want to check the table, we'll see whether it got updated or not. Sir, now it's updated, sir. Tell you. Okay. So luckily it got updated, but I don't know what is the path here. Okay. Now this one we created it under here under metal management, inventory management, plant parameters. We copied to standard plant and copied to Telu company code. So Telu plant. So cancel this, again press enter, click on check mode. So now document is okay, and this is also showing under green color. So we resolved all the issues. What are the issues we faced, sir? We faced one WRX transaction key, and also we faced um, this one inventory management, copying the plant parameters, and also what else we faced? Click on check, click on post. Again we are facing one more BSX. So one side GRI account, another side inventory account. So go back to the GL master again. This GL master, remote GL master here. This is our company code. This should come under inventory 11010. So 1011. 1011 is your inventory account. Type description. So asset balance sheet, asset account, inventories asset. This should be your inventory. Inventory, but raw material. Okay. Control C, Control V, control data, and this is balances in local currency. If you want, you can activate it. Sort key 001, create bank interest, field status. So if we have material accounts, material field status group, we can assign it accordingly, because there are certain fields will populate automatically, sir. Okay. So we have material accounts G006. Click on save. Come back to the transaction again, error mode. So it says BSX. Go back to the configuration. Come back here. Where is BSX, sir? Here BSX. So here validation class, click on accounts. System will ask you to save the rules first. So validation class is term and your new GL account for inventory. So inventory posting. Okay. Star search. So where is our inventory account? Here, inventory raw material. So basically I'm assigning the inventory raw material account. So at the time of goods receipt posting, system will post debit inventory raw material, credit GRIR account, sir. That's the accounting document. Come back to the transaction, click here. So press enter once, click on check. Documents. Every time it is showing okay, but it's throwing many errors. Post. Now account 101 transit event key possible directly, postable directly. Okay. What it is saying, sir? Go back to the GL master. It is saying that this has to be post automatically. So no one should post manually. Click on save. System is so clever. Even I don't remember. Continue. Click on check. Click on post. So what it is saying, sir, interval 50 sub-object telu. So at the time of goods receipt, system will post with WE document type. Okay. So we have to define number ranges. So we don't know what is WE document type. So what I'll do, I'll keep this one. I'll go to the general table slash OBA7. So at the time of goods receipt, system will post with WE document type. So under goods, you can see here 50. System is throwing with 50 only, right, sir? That's the reason. So number in the information, click telu, click on change intervals. What is your next number, sir? 1200. Yep. 1201 to 1300. 2025. This is your 50. Press enter, save. 50 only, right? So system is, so continue. This is okay. Come back to the goods receipt. Click on check again. Click on post. So GL account tell you 2005 is not consistent. This is again, I don't know what it is. Continue. This line item carries the W posting the identification. The master record for GL account 2005 below must have the balance in local currency indicator. Okay. So system is saying, so 2005, what it is 2005, go back to GL account. 2005 it is your GRI account should be your under control data. This is mandatory. Balances in local currency. Because sometimes what happens, you might post in foreign currency also. It has to be updated in the local currency. So come back to the goods receipt. Continue. Check again. Check that is fine. Click on post. So at last we posted material document 2502. Okay. Click on uh, where is the display option here? No display option. Let it be, sir. Display. Okay. Display the display here we have here, sir. Just okay. Click on continue. So you can see the details. Now the details has been updated, posted to where purchase order. So all the details has been updated. Vendor details has been updated. Document information. This is important. Click on FI documents. See, metal ledger document has been updated. Accounting document. Click, let us see the accounting document. So as I mentioned, this will get posted with W goods receipt. Okay, and this has been updated. Inventory. This is our company code only. We posted today's date. Inventory to GRIR account. GLVU. We want one more AI, which is T1. Okay, this also updated. Document number also updated accordingly for document type W. We updated 1200, right, sir? 1200 to 1300 something. So it has been updated. All the details inventory to GRI account. This is coming from the BSX transaction key. This is coming from the RRX transaction key. So we faced many errors while posting the goods receipt. మీకు నేను ఇవన్నీ ఎర్రర్స్ రాకుండా ఫస్టే చేస్తే మీకు తెలియదు సార్ అర్థం కాదు. That's the reason I have not configured certain settings. అప్పుడు మీకు ఇలా చేసుకుంటా పోతే అసలు అది అర్థం కూడా కాదు. That's the reason. Okay, so now it's updating our entries to go back to the again you can go back, cancel this one, cancel this one. Now again my go, which is goods receipt display. I want to display again, sir. Go to the document information, click on FI documents. Now every time it's saying material ledger, right? What exactly, what details it will get updated under material ledger area? Let us understand. So some system generated item. This is your material master. This is your description. This is your plant. So this is your change in quantity. That's correct. 2 kgs, 200 value. This is fine, sir. Material price analysis. So you can beginning inventory. Nothing was it, there was a zero only. The price we made in the metal master is one. This is your transaction object. So this is basically 450 this purchase order against this the goods receipt has been done against this purchase order with two quantity 200 your 100 price with value 100 into 2 quantity 200 rupees value price update price has been updated. So new price has been updated with 100. So where it has been updated in the price to price, let us see the metal master also. So this is something related to product costing. Come back. So we'll go back to the metal master slash o mm03. So here again, sir, organizational levels, remove this one. Every time you have to select, sir. Otherwise, by default, it is giving some other details. SLD, continue. Now I want to go direct to the accounting tab because I'm really bothered about accounting tab. So total stock 2 because we consider we purchased two materials, right? Two quantity, 2 kgs. 2 kgs has been updated. Scroll down. You can look at here. It has been updated earlier. So price unit 1 with the 200. This was not there earlier. It has been updated. Okay, from the purchase order price. One this is converting to USD price. This is we updated initially. This is your moving price. So inventory value 100 into where we can see the quantity on the top. Two quantity 100 into 2 200. Is that clear, sir? This is updating in the this is getting updated in USD. Go to the accounting 2 tab. Nothing to see. Costing 1 tab. Nothing to see here also. Not sure. Costing 2. So this is also nothing. Something related to cost estimation. So basically we are expecting accounting 1. So here this is clear. Now no, as usual, sir, you can go back to your GL account, see the reports. That is fine for the goods receipt. And but one more important is BL3N. Ignore about inventory account, but at least you should see GRIR account because we created as open item management. Press enter. Your inventory, your GRIR account is 2005. Proceed. Click on execute. So here it is showing as red color because when we receive invoice at the time of when we received the invoice, then what system will do? This GRI account will get debited and your vendor account will get credited. We have not received invoice from the vendor. Okay. So what we'll do? We'll proceed with the another transaction with and before executing it, you can come back to the purchase order. You can refresh this transaction. Come back. So ME23N. So here purchase order history. So, sir, under purchase order, you can see this will get it updated, sir. Earlier it was not there. So this will get updated only when you do the goods receipt transaction. So goods it is so it's under purchase order. You can see the history always. 2 kg with the 200 with your 100 value. So 200 rupees. Okay. This is from the purchase order history. Now what we'll do? We'll go ahead and create. I'm just closing all the configurations, sir. I mean screens. This one let it be. This also let it be. At least we'll close one thing. Come back to the and we'll come back to slash OMIRO, which is invoice receipt. Now we'll receive the invoice from the supplier. So now here invoice date, I want put it to today's date. Control C, Control V. Amount. What was the amount, sir? It is 100 into 2. So 200, right? If you look at your GRIR, you will understand what is the amount. 200. We'll see the differences scenario also. No worries. Inventory, text, invoice. So what I'll do, this is important actually. You have to create it. Even now we don't know. Sorry, sir. purchase order. So you can see, sir, you are posting the invoice against your purchase order, not against your goods receipt. Press enter. So the number is 51. At the time of invoice posting, system will consider document type RE, sir. Okay. So here new window OBS 7 position RE. So this is your gross. So system is expecting 51. Number is information. Tell you change intervals. Now what we should do 51. So press interval. What was the last number? 13 0 1 2 1400. This is your 2025 financial year. This is your 51 transaction code for invoice receipt. So somewhere we did something wrong. 1301. Press enter. Save. So come back to the income invoice transaction. Press enter. That issue has been resolved. This number is issue has been resolved. Click on messages. So system gives giving here some message. So system expecting some T code, sir. Let me put some V0. No. System is expecting T code. I mean messages. So this is mandatory. So we need to assign some. Okay, let us assign something here. Input tax, right, sir? So this is your output tax, input tax. Okay, let us give this one V1. Have we created? We already completed GST, right, sir? Okay. So system is giving some messages. TCOA VST. Why VST system is going to VST? Let us check. So go back to the press and enter the value here. Business place. System is expecting some business place here. We already created business place and also we created some section code also. Okay, might be system is expecting for this vendor we might have some withholding tax. Press enter. So click on messages. So TCOA VST. What is VST again? Edit intervals slash O OBYC VST. It should not ask VST. Press enter. Where is VST, sir? Purchase input tax. Okay, TCOA. Purchase input tax. Okay, this it should not ask. Okay, sorry. So basically we don't have 0% tax code here now. We want some 0% tax code. And also we have not gone through the GST configuration, right, sir? So we'll come back for time being. What I'll do, uh, so go to the slash o fs 00. So assets or liabilities. Okay. Okay. So what else we have option to make it zero balance? Okay. Let me put it edit intervals slash o spro img. So financial accounting, global settings, tax on sales and purchases, uh, calculation, define tax codes and sales and purchases. Okay, country region, India, press enter. So tax code, but the thing is, uh, we don't have, okay, let me put it V0, input tax, tax type, input tax, check ID, continue. So this is 0% tax code. Continue. Tax SMF. Click on save. SMF. Proceed with your transactions or incoming invoice. Press enter. So what I'll do, I'll put it as, now do we have V0? Press enter. Okay, click on messages. Still it is asking error in account determination T030RK TCOA VST. I'm expecting 0% tax code, sir. Even though if I maintain VST, so here withholding tax, it is asking anything. Okay, here it is asking. Press enter. Come back to the basic data screen. Press enter. Click on messages. Still VST it is asking. This is also not required. TDS is not required, right, sir? We'll see if you're getting an error. Press enter. Messages. So still this one you can ignore. T030R TCOA VST. It is asking and again. 0 VST purchase input tax. Basically, we don't have anything. Accounts. So it's not in change mode. Come back to the close this one. Configuration. We have another configuration screen. Configuration we have here also. So here what I'll do, go back to the VST, purchase input tax, press enter, valuation class, accounts, save the rules first. So basically I'm not expecting any account, sir. Valuation class is term, account, I'll give start search, some to this time being key, click on save, continue. So here we'll come back to the configurations, proceed with your invoice transaction, continue, press enter. Still I get something, click on messages. So it gives, still this is coming T030R TSOE VST. Maybe I need to restart my transaction. We'll try one more time. If it is not working, we'll see tomorrow, sir. OB, sorry, what is the transaction? Myro. So invoice 97, invoice 200. So let me enter first purchase order. Press enter. Okay, this is your okay. Selecting okay something here. Click on 200 is fine. And what else? Same messages. Tax code. Okay, this is becoming mandatory. For now, I'll put it as input tax code. Press enter. So still system is expecting TCOA VST. So come back to the configuration. Where is the configuration? Here we have. I already updated as some account. It should not ask, sir. It should not ask. It is going to the VST transaction. So I need to rectify this. Intervals is not required. GL accounting is not required. Incoming invoice. So we entered the value here 200 withholding tax amount. I need to remove this tax code. Press enter. Payment basic data. Press enter. So we already given the V0. Okay, the reason is this is coming under India and all these are coming from the respective tax procedure. So it could be the tax procedure scenario. Not giving. Sir, I will check this one, sir. Okay. Somewhere I need to do something. I mean, basically it is part of your taxation. Okay. I'll check and confirm back to you, sir. I'll explain you. I already did for one company code, so we'll see.